Hey, good afternoon and happy Thursday. I just want to let you know that there is a potential problem with some of the staff Acer Chromebooks. The latest update is causing a problem that is pushing some of these Chromebooks into sleep mode, especially after teachers close the lid. You may get a pop-up that says something is wrong. If that's the case, you'll have to restart and log back in, which I know can be frustrating. Google is aware of the issue and they don't have a solution, an official solution for it yet, but we have a workaround that we think might interest you. It's called the Keep Awake Chrome extension. And I'm going to share a Google Doc with you guys in terms of how the steps of how to install this, but in case you want a quick run through, this will show it. All right, so this is the Google Doc that I've shared with you all. I have the Chrome extension link popped in this doc, so I'm just going to select that. I'm going to add it to Chrome. Yes, I want to add the extension. It shows me Keep Awake has been added to Chrome. I want to pin this. So that's it right there. I'm going to right click. So leave a space between your fingers. Use 2 fingers to fork the trackpad. Hit pin. And that pins my extension. The default power saving settings, is what will save. But if I click on this once, this is going to keep the screen on and the device on. If I click on it a second time, this will keep the device on, but it might prompt my screen to go to sleep. It will keep the laptop running. And then if you want to go back to the basics, go back to the generic. If you need a walkthrough of what that means, back in my Google Doc, I do have it listed right here to let you know that the dark blue square is the default power settings, the light blue square will keep your screen on, and the sunset square, the system will stay awake, but the screen will dim. I would encourage you to use this if you are one of the people that is having the issue. However, know that your power settings, your battery is going to drain quicker if you keep this on, either one of these two, as opposed to the default one. That will especially come into play if your screen brightness is higher, or maybe lower it down if you're not near a power source. I hope this helps as a workaround, and we will send an official resolution out if and when Google gets back to us. Thanks.